and welcome to Midland Public Library's Savvy Seniors, the short show where we discuss technology tips to make your life easier. My name's Jennifer Whip, and I'm the Maker Place Coordinator here at MPL. Today, I'm going to be introducing you to COVID Alert. COVID Alert is an application for your mobile phone or smart device. You download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store and turn on your Bluetooth. Then, when you're out and about, your phone will exchange codes with other nearby phones. So when you go to the grocery store, the pharmacy, the park, or the hardware store, your phone will be sending out codes to other nearby users. It'll also be receiving their codes from their phones. Every day, the app checks a list of codes from other users who have told the app that they've tested positive for COVID-19. If you've been near a user who tested positive for COVID-19 in the last 14 days, your phone will know because they received their incoming code. And so you'll get a notification. Then you can go and get a COVID-19 test to make sure you didn't contract the virus. To help us understand COVID Alert a little bit better, let's take a look at the actual application. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is go to my App Store. Then I'll search for COVID Alert. This is the COVID Alert app. It says, "Let's protect each other," and you can see that it has the Canada emblem on it. Let's download that. Now I'm going to open the app. I'll select which language I want to use, in this case, English. Okay, let's read through steps 1 of 6. Together, let's stop the spread of COVID-19. COVID Alert helps us break the cycle of infection. The app can let people know of possible exposures before any symptoms appear. That way, we can take care of ourselves and protect our community. Great! Next. Your privacy is protected. COVID Alert does not use GPS or track your location. It has no way of knowing your location, your name or address, your phone's contacts, your health information, except what you decide to share, or the health information of anyone you're near. Okay, next. How it works. The app uses Bluetooth to exchange random codes with nearby phones. Every day, it checks a list of random codes from people who tell the app that they have tested positive. If you've been near one of those people within the last 14 days, you'll get a notification. One part of public health. COVID Alert is just one part of the public health effort to stop the spread of COVID-19. Follow all public health guidelines in your area. COVID Alert does not replace medical advice. If you get sick, contact your doctor or other healthcare provider. The app will now ask your permission. Allow the app to start logging random codes, or random IDs, when you're near other phones. The app will access the date, duration, and signal strength related to the random codes, but they never leave your phone. You'll also need to let the app send you notifications. You can also click here to learn more about privacy, but I'm going to hit next for now. Okay, so now you can see that the app is asking me for permission. So enable COVID-19 exposure logging and notifications. Your iPhone can securely collect and share random IDs with nearby devices. The app can use these IDs to notify you if you may have been exposed to COVID-19. The date, duration, and signal strength of an exposure will be shared with COVID Alert. So I need to click Enable. Step 6 of 6. Where do you live? This is optional. Choose your region to check if you can report a diagnosis through this app. Your region will never be shared with anyone. So I'm in Ontario. So some provinces are using this app and others aren't. So that's why it's asking if I can report a diagnosis through the app. In Ontario, you can. Done. Okay, COVID Alert would like to send you notifications. So this would include an alert to let you know if you've been exposed. So we're gonna click Allow. Great. One other thing that you need to check is to make sure your Bluetooth is on. So I'm gonna go into my settings. and I'm going to go to the Bluetooth menu. I can see here that my Bluetooth is on. If it looks like this, that means your Bluetooth is off and you need to turn it on. So you just click the little white button and it switches it on. I'm using an iPhone, so this will be slightly different if you're using an Android device. Okay, so my Bluetooth is on, great. You're all set. Your phone is now running Bluetooth to collect codes from nearby phones. COVID Alert is active. Tap for menu. So I'm going to tap that. So if you were diagnosed with COVID-19, this is where you would enter your one-time key. So to let people know they've been exposed, you need a one-time key. We'll also ask for details to help narrow down when you were likely most contagious. Okay, so you can get a one-time key by clicking here. There's information about what to do if you were exposed and a help menu as well, so you can click those. You have settings to change your province or territory or change your language, and there's more information about how that app works as well as how it protects your privacy. But other than that, you don't really do anything with this app. You don't even need to leave it open, so you can completely close it. And you can close everything, and the app is still working. It's still exchanging codes with nearby phones. So that is how you use the COVID Alert app. A fun fact about the COVID Alert app is that it's been downloaded over 5 million times. Also, over 3,000 different one-time keys have been used to alert users that they may have been exposed to COVID-19. You can use a one-time key to report a diagnosis in Manitoba, New Brunswick, Newfoundland and Labrador, Nova Scotia, Ontario, Prince Edward Island, Quebec, and Saskatchewan. For more information about the COVID Alert app and how it works, I've put a link in the video description that will take you to the Government of Canada's website, specifically their page on the COVID Alert app. If you have any additional technology questions and want to suggest a topic for a future Savvy Seniors video, give me a call at 705-526-4216, extension 3321. Or you can send me an email to jwhip@midlandlibrary.com, and I'll try to make your technology topic happen. Thanks for watching this week's episode of Savvy Seniors, the show where we tackle technology together. I'll be back next Saturday at 2 p.m. with more technology tips and tricks to make your life easier. See you next time, Midland!